Hey, what do you think of the fireworks so far, kiddo?
Awesome!
Awesome.
We get like front row seats. Parking lot is packed.
It is packed.
And more cars are coming.
Indeed.
Deep, 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 deep.
There's one.
Whoa!
Oh, that one was pretty.
It was sparkly.
Look at it, it's on the ground.
Whoa!
It's gonna go.
Whoa!
Look at it on the ground.
One's gonna go.
Oh, that pole was just a little bit in there.
Wow.
Oh my gosh!
That one was pretty, eh, Mai?
Yeah! Victoria Day!
What is Victoria Day?
What are we celebrating?
The Queen's birthday.
Yeah.
Oh, those ones are cool.
Yeah. They're like yellow and pink.
That one was pretty.
That one was awesome! Like a little bunny? Yeah. Yeah. Tikaka, you're just taking... Oh, hi!
Look at my pineapple plant. There's a pineapple on it.
Whoa.
Oh, did we miss some?
Yeah.
Look at the ice cream truck down there. He's like, I'm an ice cream truck.
Oh, yeah. Whoa!
Michael, you're missing them.
We were on our balcony playing with them. I think Maya was there. Maybe that was the year before I met you.
It was the year before.
Okay, and she started spinning hers like this in a circle. So I was like, oh, okay, I'll spin mine too. And then the sparklers collided, and the tip of my sparkler flew off and landed down her shirt. And yeah, I felt bad, and I got screamed at.
Some down there, some little ones.
Oh, there's some.
Ooh. I can't see it.
Be careful of that. That's fire.
Oh, I don't really like that one.
The one that's really loud.
Yeah, he's not even like a... He's just a dude who goes up and blows up.
Those are the annoying ones where you get so...
Oh!
That one was cool.
That.
Oh, it was just one. Oh, never mind.
Whoa! Whoa!
That was a big one.
Fireworks! Fireworks!
Those ones are so disappointing because you think they're going to be big and then they don't explode.
Yeah.
Those ones suck.
That one didn't suck.
No, the one that's just on the ground and it sprays out and it goes
Oh,
like
yeah.
3 or 4 feet into the air.
Whoa.
This might be the finale, folks.
It might be. How are those, Mai?
Can't get any better seat.
Yeah, really.
It's okay.
Wow, that one was really pretty.
Okay. Scary.
On the ground.
Look at the ones over there that are spurting up. Oh, those are pretty.
Okay, let's try. Okay, good.
Oh, Michael, look at them.
Come on, buddy.
Michael, look!
Michael, look.
Look, Lucky. Look how pretty they are.
Look at that. Why was that one? He's like, pretty.
Oh my
Talk
gosh,
about
wait.
terrifying.
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Whoa.
That one was so pretty.
That's not very safe over there. That guy's shooting it into the ground.
Yeah, that's not very smart.
That's very boisterous. I don't condone this.
Green. Pink. Green. Red. Green. Pink. Green.
Those ones are pretty.
It's not green.
Whoa.
Those ones are going really high.
And look, there's ones over there too.
You're missing this part.
I keep seeing some in the reflections of those houses, so they have to be behind us. I'm getting them.
This is a long show.
It's just violence. Whoa. You can see the bottom.
Yeah, there's gonna be a big push because there's more.
Mommy, come. We've seen ones that swirl and go up into the air.
What does that make a sound?
Yeah.
Hello?
Oh,
There's like, how many different people are doing them?
I think there's 3.
Yeah, there's one's closer over there
and
too.
there's ones over there.
These have
ones
been the
over there.
best though.
Yeah, and there's some
You're
behind
putting
us.
incense?
No, it's a citronella.
Oh, Skittles.
Lucky's really scared.
Yeah, he followed me around everywhere.
He was
In
sitting.
the bathroom, I was like on the
He was
toilet. and
sitting
he was, like,
on-
underneath my feet. I was like,
Helena.
Hi.
He was sitting underneath
Where was
my
there?
vanity. There's not a spot to
Oh,
sit
yeah.
under my vanity.
Come. Up. Sparkling.
How was your weekend? Well, I was like,
And it's not coming out. That.
On the ground over there, my.
Oh! That one might come up. Pretty.
there's a lot of sparkling happening down there.
Up.
Is that a tomato plant?
No, it's a flower.
A what?
You know those really big flower ones? The flowers are like that big on them. Oh! Those are. This is the finale. Michael, hurry!
Come quick!
Michael, you're missing them.
Come here, buddy.
Don't make him comment. They'll just watch.
Oh, here he comes. Oh, this must be the finale.
Continue it.
What if it's not the finale? That would be cool.
Is this just people or is this something like it's just whoa?
Wow.
Yeah.
Whoa.
That one went really high.
Oh my god!
Look at the reflection. The ones behind us must be amazing. Look at the reflection on these houses of the lights flashing.
He doesn't
He's
know
like,
what to do.
he's like, what the fuck? You're literally like right underneath my foot under the toilet. I'm like, calm down.
This one, man, this is probably from that parking lot. Because I saw a car that looked like her.
Yeah. You're like,
Some on both sides.
13,000.
whoa.
Oh yeah, this has got to be the end. Can you close that door, Marlena?
All the bugs are
Michael's
there.
coming out.
Michael, you can't leave that door open. There's gonna be bugs in there.
Well, I ran in Nan's room to see if I could see the other ones.
Could you?
No, they were all done by then.
berries that does above
Probably.
well,
More protein.
I can't see. I'm stuck with mine.
Oh, right there.
Oh, there's one right there.
Oh, they're going off right
In
there.
the center of the street.
They are going off right in the middle of the road.
It's like right in the middle. Who set them off there?
Those two guys, I think, walking by. Or they just happened to be walking by.
No, he fully ran over that part.
Oh, there's still some over here.
Oh my gosh, this is a never ending.
Over there, Jess.
Whoa,
I don't know which ones to do. I can't get them both in at the same time.
there's some over there, there's some over there, there's some over there, there's some over there. I don't know where they look.
Just going to random people's houses and just putting them in the ground.
Are they doing another one right now?
Yeah. Like right in front of someone's house.
It's not really so sad.
Oh, maybe he's tying his shoe. Looks like he's pretending to tie his shoe now.
Well, because there's people walking by, right?
What are they doing?
Oh yeah, they're lighting them at that person's house.
And then they just booked it, yeah. Whoa! Whoa!
Hey,
That's in front of Lisa's house. Her dog is probably freaking out.
Or if they've been a house. Like,
Well, it did. It bounced off their house.
It bounced off the house and came back.
hey, we should call the police. That's not good.
Gone already, sweetie. But you're right. We should have done something.